We are in the city of Gardena. This is a previous customer of ours. We did the roof a couple months ago, and then he called us out for the paint. This is, I think, a 4-plex or 5-plex. It is a multi-unit. We recommended him to use Cool Wall by TEX-COTE. For our customers, we do offer them an option of if they want to do regular paint, great. But if they do want to invest in their project, especially their home, if they're investing in a painting project for their home, we really do recommend a premium coating system. This is Cool Wall by TEX-COTE. It's a great product. It'll lower the temperature of the walls by about 40 degrees. It has fade block. It has Kynar in it, super durable. Paint usually lasts around 3 to 5, maybe 10 years. And you kind of have to redo it over and over. Paint used to have things like lead, asbestos, but back in, I think, the 70s, they stopped using it. And obviously it's just kind of decreased the quality of paint. So painters are more busy now than ever, right? Because we constantly do have to repaint, at least every 10 years, especially here in Southern California, areas like this, the South Bay, where we have moisture every day. We have the sun just beating down most days. The home does take a lot of beating. So a full coating system is a great option. It is a little bit more expensive, between maybe 15 to 20% more expensive, but you're already paying for, a good job on a regular paint project. So it's super important to, see if there are other types of products that will last a lot longer so that you don't have to continuously paint over and over. But yeah.